can be a great transformation hairstyle. So in this video, I am going to show you how to achieve flawless, natural looking hair that can boost your confidence and your self-esteem. Yes, right from the comfort of your own home. With this video, you can learn how to create stunning, protective hairstyles that can promote great hair growth and reduce hair loss. Because yes, ladies, that's our ultimate goal. We want to grow our hair and we want to prevent what? Hair loss. Yes. So whether you're struggling with hair thinning, alopecia, or you just want a new stylish look that's low maintenance, that's easy to care for, well, Crochet Box Braids can be the perfect solution. So say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to the new a new Crochet Box Braid hairstyle. Continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful, flawless crochet braid hairstyle. Okay, ladies, so as you can see here, I have already started her braid pattern, and I just showed you a little trick that I use, especially with those who have very thin edges. I took that braid and I braided it forward to reduce as much tension and pressure and pulling on her edges as possible. And after I braided that braid coming forward, I kind of wrapped that braid around the very first edge braid or perimeter braid that I braided. Again, you can see here how I'm braiding that braid forward, and I'm just going to wrap it around the edges. This is going to give her fullness on her edges, and it's also going to give her more strength and stability around her edges, because that is her problem area, and I don't want to pull any of her edges. I don't want that tension on her edges. So those two braids that I just braided is going to help with that situation. As you can see, the middle I am doing from side to side, or sometimes people call it a zigzag. So I'm going from side to side, and this is going to give her the fullness that she wants in the back. I'm also going to be using my custom handmade closure. Yes, as you can see here, I am using our G&G hair growth oil, and yes, I use this with all my clients, and especially with those who have hair loss. As you can see, she has some severe hair loss at the top, and I am using this method, and that is going to cover the top of her head. You will not, I repeat, you will not be able to know that she has any hair loss whatsoever here at the top. So those two braids that I braided to the front, I kind of loop them coming back around to the back, and that's going to give me something to sew down to as I install my custom made closure, and also as I install this net. Yes, this is a crochet cap, and I'm going to install that in the front. As you can see, I am going to cut the front of this cap because I want to make sure that the front part of her hair is very well protective. So you can see how I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to install it in the front. And I don't want this cap to be tight around the front of her hair. So as you can see, this cap is very durable, it's stretchy, it has great holes in it for ventilation, because one thing you want to make sure, ladies, is that your hair have ventilation to breathe. We don't want our hair to be smothered when we are wearing these protective styles, because smothering can also kill your hair follicles. They can suffocate your hair follicles, and that will prevent your hair from growing. So as you can see, I am installing just the front portion of this crochet cap to the front, and then I'm going to also add the remaining to the hair loss area that she has here at the top. So again, continue to keep watching and you will see how I install my custom handmade closure. Yes, my custom handmade closure prevents you from having to use any glue with thin hair, short hair, alopecia, or hair loss. Yes, ladies, no more glue. So if you are interested in purchasing my handmade closure, that is exceptional. I mean exceptional benefits for anyone who has hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, bald spots, alopecia. So get your order in today by tapping the link in the description below. Again, this handmade custom closure is super beneficial. I am going to be able to install her crochet braids right here on this closure, and it is going to reduce any tension, any pulling, and it's going to give her the fullness that she needs. Oh my gosh, you guys just have to continue to keep watching. This style you do not want to miss. I am going to show you so many tips and tricks on what to do with those who have thin hair, short hair, alopecia, bald spots. Just continue to keep watching. That's all I can say. And as you can see here, I've already started crocheting her box braids on. So again, continue to keep watching through the end and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. Keep watching and tap the link in the description below to get your order in for your handmade closure. Yes, it's made by me. It's not sold in stores. You cannot find it online. You cannot find it in any beauty supply. It is strictly my patent pending handmade closure. like the part?
Yeah, perfect.
Yep, and this is all nice and full up in here.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Back there.
Oh yeah. That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. Yep, it's all nice and full back there.
Hey, can I make an appointment for all these?
Get that appointment in
Yes.
before we get up out of here. I heard that. So what day is that?
It's